Today we're going to continue working on the ASUS laptop that we worked on a few days ago. This is the Strix SCAR model 2023, and I told you on this model it's very common to see a burn mark right at the screw hole of the fan, right here. We could not fix it last time, and a lot of comments about grinding more, grinding wider. We're going to try that today and see if we have any success. So I do listen to your comments and I do read your comments, and I am taking action. I told Big Boss to open the cover again. He does not have to take out the motherboard, and we're gonna attempt to grind some more and see if we can possibly get rid of the short. If you have not watched the previous video, what I did was I measured the current sense resistor. That's our charging connector right here. I measured the current sense resistor and we have a partial short. Let me measure in resistance mode one more time. And we have 25 ohms. If we go to diode mode, I'm getting 0.08 voltage drop. We have a partial short. We injected voltage at the current sense resistor, and this area got hot. The screw hole. Where is it? This one here. It got extremely hot. So we know that we have a short in this area. We attempted to grind last time. A lot of viewers suggested that we grind wider, deeper. And we're going to do this again. Meter in diode mode. And we still have a short. Let's keep grinding. Grind wider, right? Let's measure again. I'm being aggressive on the grinding so we can get as much out as possible. And we still have a short. What's happening? Okay, look at this. I started with the short, but now diode reading went up to 0. It's fluctuating. It went up, 0.4, 0.1. That's weird. It's going up from 0.4 to 0.1. Battery is disconnected, no source of power. Let me measure in ohms mode. I think that's good news. Ohms reading. 54 ohms, 40 ohms, 39, 38. No. The numbers are fluctuating. Diode reading. No. Still a short. Let me grind some more. Let's measure now. And it looks like we got rid of the short. We do not have a short anymore. Wow. Let me measure in ohms mode. And ohms reading, I'm getting 213 ohms. Back to diode mode. 0.08 3 voltage drop. Wow. We got rid of the short. I think the only wire we need to worry about, the one that we broke, is the one on the bottom here. We can run a wire from here to here, and we can mask everything in between. Let's do it. That's what happens when you listen to your viewers. And I do listen when it makes sense. You saw how long it took grinding the board to get rid of the short. We had to grind wider. I love this community. Now, if the laptop gets fixed, it means we put an end to this problem, to this issue. Just waiting for UV to clear. And just in case, I do not want to expose you to UV because you know the story, right? For those of you who've been following the channel for a long time, the customer complained. He said, why are you shining UV onto the camera? We're gonna get harmed by the UV. And the guy was serious. So at that point, UV was penetrating his monitor, his TV, and exposing him to unwanted UV, unwanted harmful light. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, oh, I forgot this one earlier.
You're working tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm pretty
All right, I'll see you. Bye. All orders that came in last night and today all went out. A big portion of the shirts also went out today. As you know, with shirts, we ship once a week. We have to make your shirt, and we do all the shirt related stuff once a week. Everything is done in-house. The question is, how did I get UV mask here? We're gonna keep it. It's our signature move. NF Flux white, one of the best flux you can get your hands on. NF Flux and NF Flux white. So, moment of truth. Let me plug the charging cable. Are we gonna see anything? Any signs of life? Yes, yes. An orange light. That's a good indication. Orange light is good. We do not have a short anymore, and the orange light came on. The question is, will it power on? Let's press on the power button. I do see a backlight on the keyboard. Backlight on the keyboard, right? The keyboard is still lit. But you know what? I do not have the heatsink on the bottom, and the motherboard is going to get so hot so quick that it may not even turn the computer on. Yeah, you see it went off. So it went off before it could even turn on. And that's because we do not have the heatsink. I hope that's the reason. just want to see an image. One tiny image. Yeah, it went off. Let me grab the heatsink. Big Boss is already out for the day. And where did he put the heatsink? Whoa, he has like 7, 8 laptops disassembled here in the room. Which one is it? This one looks like it. Liquid metal, CPU, GPU. Let's try this one. Okay, so the heatsink right here. And I'm not gonna screw the heatsink in, I'm just gonna hold it. Power button. We do see the light on the bottom, but the light alone is not enough. We want to see an image. I can feel the CPU, GPU get hot. The heatsink is getting hot. And the fan is spinning. Are we gonna get an image? The laptop did not power off. Did it power off? Let me press on the heatsink with 2 hands. The fan is spinning. Laptop is still on, and that's good news. Just one tiny image. I just want to see an image. Laptop is still on. So that confirms that we had to have the heatsink put on the board. The reason I'm waiting is anytime you disconnect a battery on ASUS laptops, the first time you want to power the laptop on, it may take up to a minute to power on. It goes into a boot cycle. And I know at times it took longer than usual, so I'm just giving this a chance. The fan is still on, lights are still on. But we want to see an image. %90 of my hopes are already gone. No, what? No way. I heard a sound. And the laptop went off. I did hear the sound. And the heatsink is burning hot, so the laptop is working. Let me power it on one more time. I do not want to put all the screws, but I just want to see an image. Yes, yes, yes. Wow. Wow. We saved the laptop. We already emailed the customer that his laptop was a no fix, so we're gonna have to email the customer again, and we're gonna tell him that we did a second attempt and we got his laptop fixed. Customer's gonna be happy. I'm happy. Viewers are also happy. We're gonna end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video. Amazing.